Ready to master the road and ace your driving test? In today's video, we're covering 50 must-know road signs that every driver should be familiar with. If you find these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more driving advice. Let's get started. The riding of pedal cycles prohibited sign indicates that cyclists are not allowed to ride their bicycles in this area and must either dismount and walk their bikes or find an alternate route. The no-through road sign informs drivers that the road ahead is a dead end and there is no way to continue through it to another destination. It's important to turn around and find an alternate route. The risk of fog ahead sign warns that the road is prone to foggy conditions ahead, which can drastically reduce visibility, making it more difficult to see other vehicles or obstacles. Drivers should reduce speed and use fog lights if necessary. The bay reserved for loading and unloading only sign designates a parking space exclusively for the loading or unloading of goods and passengers. Any other use of this space, including waiting or parking without activity, is prohibited. The roadworks sign alerts drivers that construction or maintenance work is taking place ahead, which may cause delays, detours, or changes in traffic flow. Drivers should approach with caution and expect possible lane closures or temporary restrictions. The 300 yards, 270 meters to a roundabout sign indicates that a roundabout is located just 300 yards, or 270 meters, ahead. The vehicles may be parked wholly on the verge sign permits parking on the grass or roadside verge as long as the vehicle is completely within the designated area. This helps maximize the available parking space without obstructing the road. The countdown marker to level crossing, 1 sign, is the first in a series of markers showing the distance to a level crossing. It prepares drivers to slow down and prepare for the potential need to stop for an approaching train. The bus lane with traffic proceeding from both ways sign indicates that the bus lane is not restricted to one direction and allows buses to travel in both directions, while other vehicles should avoid using this lane to prevent blocking buses. The countdown marker to level crossing 2 sign follows the first marker, providing an additional reminder of the approaching level crossing, giving drivers another opportunity to slow down and get ready to stop if needed. The lanes bend ahead sign alerts drivers that the road ahead will curve or bend, requiring them to reduce speed and adjust their driving to stay safely within the lanes. The end of temporary restrictions sign marks the end of any temporary regulations, such as reduced speed limits or diversions, that were put in place for construction or other short-term traffic control measures. Normal traffic flow is now resumed. The direction and distance to a tourist information point or center sign guides drivers to the nearest tourist information center or point which can provide helpful details about local attractions, maps, and services for travelers. The Route for Use by Buses and Tramcars Only sign indicates that this road or lane is strictly reserved for buses and tramcars, and other vehicles must not enter it. This ensures public transport can operate efficiently and without delay. The Cattle sign warns that cattle, such as cows or bulls, may be present on the road or near the roadside, especially in rural areas. Drivers should be prepared to stop or slow down if livestock suddenly appears. The number of route reached from a motorway exit road sign indicates the route number or destination accessible from the next motorway exit. This is useful for drivers planning to exit and follow a specific road towards their destination. The Lane 2 and 3 closed ahead sign alerts drivers that the second and third lanes will be closed further up the road, which means vehicles must merge into the first lane to continue. Plan ahead to avoid sudden lane changes. The additional traffic lane joining from the left ahead sign informs drivers that another lane will merge into the road from the left side, increasing traffic flow. Be mindful of vehicles entering from the left and be prepared to adjust your speed. The Contraflow bus lane sign shows that the bus lane is being used in the opposite direction to the main flow of traffic. This is typically done to prioritize public transport, and other vehicles are not allowed to enter or obstruct this lane. The Route for Use by Pedal Cycles Only sign marks a designated bicycle lane or path that is exclusively for cyclists. No motorized vehicles are permitted in this lane. The Horses sign warns of the presence of horses in the area, whether they are being ridden or led along the road. Drivers should reduce speed and give these animals plenty of space as they cross or use the road. The Distance Ahead to a Parking Place with a Tourist Information Point sign tells drivers how far they must travel before they reach a parking lot or rest area equipped with tourist information services. The Direction to a Motorway at the Junction sign provides directions for drivers to access the nearest motorway from the upcoming junction. This is helpful for those looking to continue their journey on major highways. The Quayside or Riverbank sign indicates that the road is near a body of water, such as a river or dock. Drivers should be cautious of the potential for vehicles to veer off the road if proper barriers are not in place. The A traffic light intended for bicycles sign shows that there are traffic signals specifically for cyclists, which are important for ensuring the safety of cyclists at intersections or crossings. The Children 1 sign marks an area where young children may be crossing the road, often near schools or playgrounds. Drivers should reduce speed and be alert for unpredictable movement from children. The Elderly People sign alerts drivers that they may encounter older pedestrians in the area, especially in areas with senior housing or medical facilities. Slow down and be ready to stop if necessary. The pass either side to reach the same destination sign informs drivers that there are multiple ways to pass a traffic island or obstacle, either by going to the left or right, and still reach the same destination. The parking place sign designates an area where vehicles are permitted to park, ensuring drivers know where it's legally acceptable to leave their cars. The motorway junction ahead leading to a town or geographical area sign indicates an upcoming junction where drivers can exit to reach a nearby town or district. The buses prohibited sign marks a road or area where buses are not allowed to enter, either due to road width restrictions, safety concerns, or other regulations. The small wild animals sign alerts drivers to be cautious of smaller animals like squirrels, rabbits, or foxes that may suddenly appear on the road, especially in rural or forested areas. The historic Castle tourist attraction 10 miles, 16 kilometers ahead sign provides directions to a historic site, marking the distance to a castle or other notable tourist destination. The overhead electrical wires sign warns drivers, especially those in tall vehicles, about the presence of overhead power lines that could pose a danger if not carefully avoided. The diversion sign on minor roads or for roadwork starting to left sign indicates that due to construction or detours, drivers should follow a new route to the left to continue their journey. The junction ahead leading to a tourist attraction sign directs drivers to an intersection where they can turn to access popular tourist destinations or attractions. The animal-drawn vehicles sign signals that carts or wagons pulled by animals may be present on the road, and drivers should slow down and give these vehicles plenty of space. The traffic has priority over vehicles coming from the opposite direction. Sign informs drivers that they must yield to oncoming traffic, especially in narrow or controlled areas where one vehicle must wait. The Lane 1 closed. Use lanes 2, 3, and 4 sign indicates that the far left lane is closed, requiring vehicles to merge into the remaining open lanes. The route recommended for pedal cycles on the main carriageway of a road sign suggests that cyclists use this section of the road, providing them with a designated safer space on the carriageway. The diversion for motorists traveling to destination sign indicates that drivers should take an alternative route to continue towards their destination, often due to roadworks or accidents on the primary path. The with flow cycle lane ahead sign marks the presence of a bike lane that runs alongside vehicle traffic in the same direction, allowing cyclists to travel safely in the flow of traffic. The End of Motorway Regulations sign signifies the conclusion of specific rules related to motorway travel, such as higher speed limits and overtaking restrictions, as drivers transition to a non-motorway route. The temporary speed advised of 50 miles per hour sign advises a reduced speed limit of 50 miles per hour, often due to road conditions, construction, or potential hazards in the area. The Lane 2 is closed ahead sign informs drivers that the second lane is closed ahead, requiring them to merge into the remaining open lanes for continued travel. The motorway junction ahead sign prepares drivers for an upcoming exit to a motorway, signaling the point where they should move into the correct lane. The wild animals sign warns of larger animals such as deer, boars, or bears that may unexpectedly cross the road, especially in forested or rural areas. The junction ahead from a motorway exit slip road to the tourist attractions shown sign indicates that the exit leads directly to various tourist attractions, guiding visitors to popular sites. The target for crossing gate sign marks the position where a crossing barrier should be placed, indicating that vehicles should stop behind this point. The with flow cycle lane sign shows that cyclists have a dedicated lane that runs alongside the main flow of traffic, offering a safer route for bicycles in both urban and suburban areas. We hope this video gave you the confidence to tackle any road ahead. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more driving tips. Thanks for watching, and always drive safely.